This house plan has a fairly spacious area. Therefore, in this part of the house, there can be two gardens at once, namely the front garden and the back garden. Residents can make the two gardens have different functions, such as a garden for fish ponds and a garden for hobbies. Providing a room for a household assistant or household member can provide several benefits. ART so has a private space to rest from the householder's bedroom. Then, if they have a comfortable room, household members can get job satisfaction and prosperity. If you want to make a 4-bedroom house plan with an ART room, try looking at the picture above. In this plan, you can see that the first floor presents a spacious living room. Meanwhile, on the second floor, there are 3 bedrooms, including a spacious master bedroom. If built correctly, this 4-bedroom house can offer high privacy and comfort for every family member. This house plan provides practicality and comfort for modern families. The presence of a carport for 2 cars provides easy parking and protects the vehicle from the weather, so you can be free if you want to own 2 cars at once, 1 car for yourself and another car for your partner. This house plan is ideal for those of you who like relaxing and doing activities in the back garden. Not only is there a garden with ornamental plants, the back garden in this house plan also has a fish pond. The pool can make the residential atmosphere calm and refreshing. Due to its 4 comfortable bedrooms, this house offers the perfect combination of comfort and natural beauty. If you want to bring a traditional design with a modern touch to your residence, you can use this 4-bedroom house plan. The pyramid roof makes the house design proportional. As in the floor plan above, the family room is right in the middle of the house. So all family members who leave the bedroom will be able to meet in the middle. This plan offers a compact but efficient residential solution. Having 2 floors, each room is designed to maximize space without sacrificing comfort. The house plan is ideal for use on land in urban areas where the area is limited. Even though the land is not very spacious, you can still build 4 bedrooms in the house. The warehouse and laundry room are 2 rooms that are often forgotten. In fact, these 2 rooms have quite important functions. A warehouse, for example, can be a place to store unused items so they don't get messy in other rooms. Meanwhile, the laundry room can provide freedom in washing so as not to disturb the cleanliness of other rooms. This minimalist 4-bedroom, 1-floor house plan has a simple shape. The overall shape also tends to be a regular square. This house is suitable for those of you who like a simple house shape, but can still accommodate all the room needs of a large family. This 3D 4-bedroom house plan is suitable for those of you who have a land area that extends to the back. Different from the previous 4-bedroom house plan, which was square in shape, this 4-bedroom house plan is rectangular in shape. Uniquely, this 4-bedroom house plan has the master bedroom located at the front and very close to the entrance to the house.